Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart comparing chemicals that have been found in foods that we consume that we've done some research on the internet to find. So I've made first column, it says chemical, and then occurrence is how many times in the number of foods that we have researched does that chemical show up. So I've actually just copied and pasted the names from the website. So the first one is sodium benzoate, and I found that in two different foods. Sodium nitrate, found that in 3. Aspartame was in 5. Potassium nitrate was in 1. Sodium phosphate was also in 3. Monosodium glutamate was in 2. So here's all of the chemicals that I found in the foods and the number of occurrences that it came up in. So I highlight all of these. I go to Insert. I'm going to make a chart. And it generates a pie chart that compares the chemicals and the percentage of time that they are showing up. So you can actually take this and you can download it as an image. Okay, so now that we've saved our pie chart, I'm going to go into my Google Doc and I'm simply going to take the pie chart that we saved and I'm going to bring it into the document. So you do your write-up, you explain all the information that you've collected, and then we can place our pie chart to show a visual representation of these chemicals that are found in the foods that we consume.